As always, please ask your parents' permission before doing any of these arts and crafts and have fun. Hey guys, welcome back to Stellas Arts and Crafts. I'm Stella. In this week's video, I'll be showing you how to make paint pouring art. In this week's video, I also have some special guests, my niece and nephew Miles and Zoe. So let's go meet them. So this is my niece Zoe and my nephew Miles. So Zoe, tell the fans what we're going to need for this week's video.
Hi, I'm Zoe and I'm going to be telling you all the stuff that we need for this project. First, you need your canvases. Then we need these little cups to put the paint in. And then we have our mixing sticks. And then you need your paint. You can choose whatever colors you like. And then you need glue to mix in with water in this jar so it runs smoothly down the canvas. Then we have gloves so our hands don't get messy. And then you need to put something underneath everything so it doesn't get messy.
Thank you, Zoe, for telling everyone what we need. Miles, how do we get ready for this arts and crafts?
Hello, I'm Miles. So first step we need to do for this project is pre-paint our canvases. I did one white and one black. Depends what color paint you're going to use in the end. Next step, we need to add glue and water to this mason jar. So we'll start doing that. So next, after you dump the glue in, we fill this with water to make a 1-to-1 ratio. And then you just pour all the water in. And then, if you have all the water in, you don't need this bottom. And then you want to shake this up really nice. So you're going to put your cap on there very tight. And then shake it up really, really good. Make the solution work. There you go.
Thanks, Miles. Now let's get started. So you're gonna take your paint and fill it up halfway with your paint in your cup, and then you're gonna fill up the rest of the cup with your solution and do a 1-to-1 ratio. And then you're gonna
That's probably so good.
Okay, I don't want to do all that.
So now if your paints are all mixed together, you can start pouring them. So now we have our paints all laid out, so now you can start tilting it all over the board. This is what they look like. Did you guys have fun?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
We did. Very
I
fun.
had fun too. Thanks for watching this week's video. I hope you really enjoyed paint pouring. If you have any questions, leave them on the discussion page. And give a big like and subscribe. Bye.